Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to use the Deactivate filters switch on Telegram. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to see filtered texts or images on Telegram. So go ahead to your browser. I'm using Opera GX. You can use Google or Safari. So go ahead and type web.telegram.org. Once you type that, it's gonna take you to this link right here. So basically all you have to do is add your country and then your phone number and then sign in. Once you sign in, it's gonna send a code to your number, and make sure that you verify using that code. So once you're in, you're gonna want to go to settings, privacy, scroll down to the very bottom, and then switch on disable filtering. Once again, settings, privacy, disable filtering. It takes 3 steps after signing in. It's very easy and it's very simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.